Alright, good evening guys. Let's see what we have today. So here's the product I bought recently. Alright, during a sales. So it's something by Dreame. Have a look. The Dreame product. And it comes with 2 free gifts during a sales. Alright, I'll put this aside. Alright, here's the Dreame product. So here's a hair gleam smoothing nozzle. Yes, it's a hair gleam smoothing nozzle. So this is a Dreame Gleam. Alright, and here's the free gift. Okay, a comb. So let's have a look at the free gift first. So this one is exclusive free gift during the sales. Okay, you purchase during the sales, you get a comb for free. And also with this, yes, this one also free gift during sales only. So we have this. Oh, this is a comb. Oh, okay. Yeah, you remove like this. So it's just a cap. Then you remove like this. Yeah, a tangle free brush for hair. Okay. Matte finish, glossy. Yeah, quite shining. So this is a pink color. They send a random color for this free gift. So this one, put aside. Okay, so now we have a look at this first. Also the free gift. Accessories. This one it costs 59 ringgit. So during sales it's given out for free during sales only. So if there is a sales, I'll update the link in the comment section below. So today we have this. So yeah, over here you can see today what we have over here is Dreame product hair gleam, and together with this thing you can see now, you can expect what color we got lah. So during sales we purchased this one, Dreame Gleam. So now let's just unbox Dreame Gleam. Oh, quite tight. Okay. Dreame Gleam. Oh, one. Let me have a look. Dreame Gleam. Yep. Same to both sides. Dreame Gleam. Let's just have a look at spec sheet first. So this Dreame Gleam high speed hair dryer. Oh, focus. Okay, high speed hair dryer. Okay, we have a look over here. This yellow color. And rated voltage is 220-240 watt lah. So currently, as we know that you can't use this at Taiwan, Japan, and Hong Kong due to their voltage is lower than this. Alright. So also we have rated power 1600 watt. Dreame trending. Alright, from China also. Okay, product China. So that's most of it. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, over here there's a function page. Okay, let's continue with product. So efficient and fast drying, ultra lightweight, high speed hair dryer, negative ions for smooth hair. Yep, RPM digital motor. And yeah, there's a few point sales point, selling point, like what's special Yep, as mentioned just now, at the front page there, is that there's a more detailed description. So let's just unbox. Okay, we remove the cover. Alright, there's a cover stand here. Okay. I'll put this here first, later when you use it. Okay, so this is our Dreame Gleam. Right, okay, just camera. So let's unbox together. Dreame hair gleam. Whoa, the yellow one. Close up look. The yellow one. Right. Okay. Let's remove this together. Alright, as you can see, it's a box here. Okay. Oh, as you can see, yes, a UK plug. Yeah, a UK 2 pin. I can call it a UK 3 pin, just that this is a plastic. It's a 2 pin with a plastic. This is a plastic. This definitely is plastic. Okay. Yeah, here's the cable. Right, and of course a manual. Alright. I will go through the function button for a while. Okay, here's the function button. Can have a look. So as usual, air outlet handle, removable airflow. Later I'll show you guys this thing. On off switch and setting, and temperature airflow, and with indicator light. So over here, it tells you that at the first button, there's a 3. 1 is off, second is low speed, third is high speed. Okay. Over here, temperature setting, cool air will be in blue color, warm air in orange, hot air in red. Hot and cold cycle is red and blue exchange. You're flashing together. So cleaning and maintenance, as usual, unplug first, then only remove the cap. Then you brush the cap. Okay, now I will show you guys this thing. Alright, so first of all, let's unbox together. Just now I showed you guys really the UK 3-pin plug with cover, a cable. Alright, here's the cable. Not bad, quite soft quality. Alright, a gadget type hairband. Gadget type hairband. You will saw this in a gadget package rather than nowadays. Previously, like nowadays they start to use this hairband type. Previously they all using the metal wire. Okay, and here's the cable. Okay, here's the cable. Quite soft material. Quite soft. Put this aside. Alright, let's have a look at the product. Okay, this is our main character today. We have Dreame. We have our Dreame Gleam. Okay, over here, let's just start through unboxing from here. Okay. Oh, there's also one here. Okay. A matte finish. Sekejap. A matte finish. Silver color logo, Dreame. You can hear from the sound. Okay, and this one, the handle. Actually, the glue over here is quite tight, so yeah. Okay, let's have a look. Right, as just mentioned just now, also matte finish yellow. This is a limited edition yellow color. Okay, so there's 3 buttons over here. Two button. Yeah, this got 3. So off, low speed, high speed, and this one is to temperature switch. Later I show you guys. Okay, then now showing the main thing. Okay, people will be wondering why this hairdryer have no air vent. How they intake the air? See, we got output. So they are over here. This is a magnetic cap. Yes, so remove this, and you need to clean this every month. Brush off the dust. Okay, and then you put this back. Yeah, easy only. Magnetic cap. Where is the screw? Okay. This is magnetic cap. Then of course, this one will be magnetic also. How to use this? Very easy. Camera. Okay. And then also, Dreame. Alright, this product I bought at 319 ringgit, 320 with shipping from Shopee during the sales. So I got this Dreame Gleam yellow color with 3 nozzle, and just now the comb, this comb. So one set 320. Currently I don't think they have such big discount still, but if you would like to purchase now, this month there's a 80 ringgit discount 50% from 50 ringgit from the shop, 30 ringgit from the Shopee If you have credit card, maybe you can get to up to 100 ringgit discount So they are selling at 499 ringgit now for this model. Yeah, so when there's a discount, it can discount out to 130 ringgit, not 300, 130 ringgit. Yeah, 320 ringgit selling price during sales. So when you get a voucher, the discount is around that price. So for now, I will show you guys I will power it on and show you guys it in I will take a cable first. Alright, I am back. So a very quick one. Let's plug this in to our socket. Alright, let's try. So actually, just I mentioned, now we're under off. Oh, let's feel the air intake over here. Okay. And here's the air flow. I remove this first. I show you guys how the wind flows. Okay. Let's see. Let's see this. This is just the first speed, you know. First speed. Okay. So make it to second speed. I will take a longer one. Okay, there's a plastic bag. Okay. First speed. So I can show you guys how it's pumped in the air. Okay. Okay, see, first speed only. Okay, if I go to second speed. See. Oh. See, I go in the second. In first. You can feel it. Right. Good. Okay, this is first speed, second speed. This is the speed. How fast is it out of second speed? First speed. And you can see first speed. Okay, now you need the second speed. Okay. First speed. Okay, off it now. So I will show you guys this button, temperature button. So yeah, first speed. This is cold air. You can feel over here it's a cold one. Okay, you can feel over here is cold air. So we go to hot air. This is a warm air. Warm air. I can say it's a warm water. Feels like warm water. Then I go to hot air. This hot air. Feels like the food just cooked. Especially cooked food, the temperature, feel like that. But if you let it for 5 minutes, yeah, you can feel it quite hot lah. 5 minutes, 5 seconds, not 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Just a 5 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, you can quite hot. Then this is hot and cold switching. So now it is hot. Yes, it is hot now. Okay, cold. Yeah, cold. Alright, back to hot again. Actually, the changing stick is not following this up, so you can feel now. Okay guys, this is hot now. Okay, now it's cold. Now it's hot, cold yet. Okay, hot now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it's cold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 seconds for cold. Hot, still hot now. Cold again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's hot now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So 9 seconds of hot, around 4 seconds of cold. I can say it's roughly a 10 seconds of hot and 5 seconds of cold. So I just press the cold mode. Yes, the cold mode. So you can see how strong is the wind just now using this boat. First airspeed. Second airspeed. The book can't even keep up page by page. Speed. Off. Okay. Okay. Second speed. Yeah. Over here. Good. So overall, yeah, quite strong. I would say it's very strong. Couldn't be quite strong. Yeah, this wind is very strong. You can see over here the dust. A little bit of dust, not so dusty because it's in my bedroom, so it's still not dusty yet. Okay, my hand is quite sweaty, but yeah, I don't see any mark over there because it's a matte finish yellow color. So yeah, here today we have our Dreame product, Dreame Gleam, yellow color. Alright, 2 speed, off, first speed, low speed, high speed, 4 mode, cold, warm, hot, cold and hot switching. Alright, during sales you got a free gift. Okay, you'll get a free gift during sales. Okay, and then you also have the comb. Yeah, the comb. So you guys can have a try. for Dreame. Alright, customer sales service is quite good. Actually, during the sales, they only give us this. Alright, they only give us this. This already cost 59 ringgit, you know, during sales. Alright, but the additional give us this for all the purchases during that sales. Right, you guess this. Tangle free com. Oh, yeah, a Tangle free com. So that's all from me today. So remember, if you guys are interested, you can check out the product at the link below in my comment section down below there. I will update the latest link if there's an upcoming promotion lah. Previous promotion was in January. They are doing it for Valentine's Day. Yeah, they already end it due to the shipping issue. Cause if they're still doing it this week, there will be a delay for shipping lah. Then you couldn't get during the Valentine's Day. That's why they stopped it lah. So I think upcoming 3 sales, maybe there's another sales also. They will do it like monthly lah. So that's all from me today for the Dreame product. Hope you guys like it. So you can subscribe to my YouTube and like this video if you like it, and share it to your friends if they would like to have a look of Dreame Gleam. I think I'm the only one that unboxed Dreame Gleam in Malaysia. Due to before I buy this, I actually checked the website also, YouTube, and I even go to the China Bilibili to find this Dreame Gleam. I only found 3 videos showing this model lah. So today I hope I can show you guys how this model is and what's the difference with Dreame Glory. I wish I'd say something about Dreame Glory. So Dreame Glory actually have the same design, just that this LED will be over here, and they have one additional function, which is this nozzle. During sales, they give you another nozzle, which is a flat cut, a cap like that, and can put perfume, oil as essential perfume, to soften your hair lah. So that's for Glory lah. Glory have white and rose gold color. Dreame Gleam have lots of color. You got yellow, you got blue, you got grey, you got purple, you got pink. Yeah, 5 color. So this is the yellow color today over here. As mentioned by them, it's a limited color. So if you want to go for the perfume, a perfume cap which have essential oil, so when you're drying your hair, you also can have the oil apply on your hair. That one will be around 100 ringgit expensive more, which is 599 without sales, or normal price this is 499. So that's the only difference with them for these 2 models. A special cap during sales, and with this ring. Yeah, that's all from me. That's the difference. If you like to go for the starter, Dreame will be fine. Dreame Glory for the cap, actually that cap can use here also, just that the color not matching lah. So that's all. Do check out the link below in my comment section to get to this product, and stay tuned for the upcoming promotion lah. I will update in comment section. Thank you.